My dear children, yes, Jai Gurudev. Now, use the chat box and write down today's date and the day. Start. Yes, today's date is, yes, absolutely right. Nandika Road. Yes, start writing. Yes, 28th June. And the day is Monday. Yes, my dear children, happy Monday to all of you. Yes. Now, the subject which we are going to have now, yes, write down the subject name. Now you are going to learn. Yes, correct answer, maths. Yes, welcome to the math session. Good morning to all of you. Happy morning. Let's begin our session. Yes, over to Vani ma'am.
Thank you, Shaheen ma'am. Jai Gurudev children. Good morning to you all. How are you? Everyone are fine, right? Yes. So Saturday, Sunday, weekend. After the weekend, we are starting the week now, right? Yes. Happy morning, children. Jai Gurudev. So today we are going to see math subject. So in that math subject, what we are going to see? Lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. Okay, before that, I wanted to know, everyone had your breakfast? Had your breakfast? Come on, have your breakfast before sitting to the class and have enough water. Okay, children? It's very good for your health. Yes. Okay. Now, I want everyone to type it in the chat box.
What is, ma'am? Many of them, they are writing in the chat box, no. That means no breakfast?
They are not having breakfast yet.
My dear
At
children,
least have
we
your
have to
milk.
eat.
Okay, if you feel it's too early, at least you have to have milk. Okay. Is that clear, children? If you have regular school, what is your school timings? What is your school timings? By this time you would have been in the school, right? So you all have to have breakfast. Okay, please practice that. Okay, children.
And yes, my dear children, get set ready with the practice notebook, max practice notebook. At last, you have to show everyone has to show their notebook. Yes, and in between also we are going to call any student. Okay, yes. So get set ready to show your notebook. Okay, and I hope so everyone has completed max classwork. If possible, we are going to see the max classwork also. Yes. Okay, so be ready. Yes. Yes, Vani ma'am, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So now here, your time to chat me in the chat box. What is the lesson number 2 name? Come on. We have learned lesson number 2. What is the name of that lesson? Yes, come on. Type it in the chat box, children. What is the second chapter name? Yes. Shaheen ma'am, are we getting answers from the children?
Yes, ma'am. Addition, absolutely right.
Yes. Exactly, children. Very good, children. Very good. All you're so smart and clever. Good. So, addition. ADDITION. So, this lesson number 2, this is what we are going to learn today. Okay. In this lesson, what topic we are going to learn? We are going to learn properties of addition. Properties of addition. I'll repeat, properties of addition. What do you mean by properties of addition? What it meant by that? Yes, children, I'll tell you. Properties means it's nothing but rules, or otherwise key points also we can take, or otherwise important points. Okay, we can call it as important points, or otherwise key points, or otherwise we can call it as rules. Okay, this is called as properties. So this is what we are going to learn today. So totally 3 properties we have. Totally how many properties we have? 3 properties, 3 rules or 3 important points that we have to keep in our mind. Clear, children? Okay, so here comes the first property. Property number 1. What is the property number 1? Listen, all of you, listen carefully. Order property. Order property. What is the first one? Order property. O-R-D-E-R. Order property. What it means? I'll tell you what. We can add numbers in any order. We can add numbers in any order. The answer will remain the same. This is what the first property tells you. We can add numbers in any order. The answer will remain the same. I'll tell you with the example. Now, whom do we call it? Whom do we call it as parents, Kanna? Whom do we call as parents? Come on, type it in the chat box. Whom do we call as parents? Yes, I want answer from the chat box. Parents means? Yes? Right. Mommy and daddy or mother and father. Correct? Yes? Yes, children. So, we will call mommy and daddy as our parents. Correct? Yes. Now, you just put the other way round. You just put daddy first and mommy next. Then what we will call? That time also they are parents. Correct? So, other way or around also, the same answer we will get, like parents. We will call them as parents. This is what the order property tells us. We can add numbers in any order. The answer will remain the same. Now here see some words that are the same forwards and backwards. Now I'll tell you what. Mom. Take the first. Yes, take the first spelling. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. Now you just put the ending letter M to the first letter and take the first letter M and put it at the last. Now you just see, after changing the letters M first place and to the last place, now you read the word. Yes, the same word we will get. Mom. When we change the first letter and the last letter also, still we will be getting the same word. You understood, children? Yes. Now see the dad. The same way, take dad, take D from the last and put it in the first. And take first D and put at the last. Now you come on, read it. Yes, it sounds the same, dad only. When we are changing the letters also, we are getting the same answer, same pronunciation, same word. Now look at the rather word, rather. Take that R-A and put it at the first one. And take the first R-A and put at the last. Now you see, now you read the same rather used to get. Okay, and same in that verb also. Take first W and put it the last, and take the last W and put in the first. Same verb word only it sounds. Yes, right. Now civic also the same order. Take the CI and put it the last, and take CI from the last and put it in the first. The same word you will be getting, the same pronunciation. So this is what the first property tells us? Order property. When you change the order also, the answer will remain same. Now we will see with the numbers, with the pictures, along with the pictures. Now you see, all of you listen carefully, children, because it will be very interesting. Listen carefully now. Yes. Now see the first picture. How many apples are there? 6 apples. Very good. Now see the second picture. The left hand, right hand. Mango. So how many mangoes are there? 9 mangoes. Very good. Now you just put all the fruits together. Put all the apple and the mangoes together. Now how many fruits you will be getting? How many fruits you will be getting? Yes, 15 is the right answer. Now you just change the place. Take the apple to the next one and take the mangoes to the first. Now you count how many mangoes are there? Yes, the same 9 mangoes. And count the apples? Yes, the same 6. Now you count, put all the fruits together, or 9 plus 6 you do. What is the answer? The same 15 you will be getting, right? So this is what the first order property tells us, children. When you change the addend also, still the answer remains the same. Okay? You will not get any change in the answer. You got it, children? Yes. Now the same thing with the numbers alone, with the single digit number alone, we are going to see the same order property. Okay? Shahin ma'am, can we call a child for this?
Yes, ma'am. Pragati from 2D. Pragati?
Ma'am,
Pragati, ready Pragati, ready always. Very good Pragati. Good morning.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning dear. Here comes your question. Read the first 2 addends.
2 plus 8.
Exactly. Come on, give me the answer. 2 plus 8 gives you
10, ma'am.
yes. 10 is the right answer. Very good. Now what you have to do, Kanna? You have to go with order property. Order property, what it means? Change the
8 plus
order. 1 minute, Pragati. Order property, what tells us? What you have to change? You have to change the addends.
addends.
Take the first 8 and put it in the, take the second 8 and put in the first place. And take the first addend 2 and put in the second place. Now you add 8 plus 2 gives you?
10.
Yeah, exactly. Now what have you understood, Pragati, from this?
Same.
Yes. The answer will remain same when you change the
Order.
yeah, exactly. Very good, Pragati. Superb, Kanna. Here comes your star, Pragati. Good. So, changing the order of the addend does not change the number, does not change the sum or answer, we will call it as. Okay? Pragati, did you understand the concept? First property?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first property, Kanna? What is the name?
Order.
Order property. Very good, Kanna. Very good. Here comes again one star. One more star. Okay, ma. Thank you. So, very simple. Thank you, Kanna. Go and mute.
Yes. Yes, Manimam, and one more big star for everyone. Yes, many of them they are giving answer in the chat box, and some of them they are writing in the practice notebook. For everyone, big star. Yes,
Yes, children.
good children.
Very good. Yes. So, order property tells us when you change the order, you will get the same answer. When you change the order of the addend, we will get the same answer. Okay, Shahin ma'am, can we call a next child for this?
Yes, ma'am. From 2E, Nandana.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kanna. Nandana, here comes your question, Nandana. Come on, Nandana. First addend. What is the first addend?
14.
Very good. What is the second addend?
32.
Exactly. Now, what you have to do? Which place you have to add?
Once.
Ones place. So 4 plus 2 gives you what?
6.
Exactly. Now go to tens place. 1 plus 3 gives you what?
4.
Exactly. So what is the number? How we will read this number?
46.
Exactly, Kanna. Now comes here orders property. Order property means what we have to do? Change the
Answer is same.
answer is same, but see what I did. 32 I have taken to the first place and 14 I have taken to the second place. Okay. Now you tell me 2 plus 4 what?
6.
Yes, 2 plus 4, 6. Now 3 plus 1?
4.
Exactly. Now see the same answer. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, exactly, Nandana. Very good, Nandana. Even when we are changing the addend, we used to get the same answer. What is the first property, Kanna?
Order property.
Exactly. See, here comes 2 stars for you. Very good, Nandana. Thank you for your answer. Good, Kanna. Go in mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Welcome, dear. So, all you will be Kanna, all you got the concept of order property, how you have to do? Yes. So, the same thing here we are doing with the 3-digit number. What we did first one? First we did with the example. Second we did with the single digit number. And third we did with the double digit number. Now we are going to do with the 3 digits number. Okay, so the same order property only we are going to we are doing with the single digit, double digit, and 3 digits number. Okay, now here see here order property same 182, 182, 316. So 2 plus 6 will give you 8. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. So 498. Now see, I have changed the addend. 316, I have put in the first place. 182, I have put it in the second place. Now see the addend. See the addend, how we are doing the sum. See, 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. And 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Now see the same answer. I'm getting 498. After I'm changing the addend also, still the answer is same 498. So this is all about order property tells us. When we change the addends also, still we used to get the same answer. Okay, children? Yes. Now move to the property number 2. Kanna, listen. All of you had understood the first one? First property? Come on, say yes. Yes in the chat box. Any doubts in the first property? First property tells us if we change the order of the addend also, still the answer will remain same. Now move to the second property. What second property tells us? It's very easy, children. Second property tells us when 1 is added to a number, listen carefully, all of you. Listen. Now see here, when 1 is added to a number, the sum obtained is the successor of the number. I'll repeat, when 1 is added to a number, the sum obtained is the successor of the number. What it means? What it means? Yes, I'll tell you what. When we add 1 to any number, when we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. We get the next number of it, or otherwise we can call that as a successor, or otherwise we will call that as a successor of the number. Okay, so when you are going to add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. Okay, now see with the example. Now see here, children, all of you look at this. Yes, now we have 1 here. Now see, we have 1 here and we are going to add this 1 to 8. Now 1 plus 8, what is the answer? 1 plus 8, what is the answer? 9. Very good. 9 is the answer. And see, what is the next number of 8? What is the next number of 8? Yes, 9. This is what the second property tells us. What second property tells us? When you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number of it. Okay, children? This is what the second property tells us. Now see the next example. 637. 637 plus 1 will give you what? Add 637 plus 1. 638 is the answer. 638 is the answer. Now you see what is the next number or successor of 637. 637 is?
No, ma'am. No.
No. What it means? You didn't get the point? Kana? Shahin ma'am, my voice is clear? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible. Audible. Continue, ma'am.
Yes. Someone said something. Okay. Kana, I'll repeat again. The second property tells us when you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number of it. I'll tell you with the example. See here. 637. 1 minute. Yes. 637. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to add 637 to 1. Okay. 637 plus 1 will give you what? 638. Yes. 638. And the second property tells us the next number of 637 is what? 638. Okay, so this is what the second property tells us. When you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number, or we will call it as successor of the number. Successor of the given number. Okay, children? This is what the second property tells us. Now, see here. I have few questions to answer. Yes. Shahin ma'am, can we call a child?
Sanjay of 2F. 2F Sanjay.
Sanjay.
I repeat 2F Sanjay. Not there. Okay. We will move to the next. Vignesh of 2F. Vignesh. Vignesh? No? Okay. Move on. to another. Ritika of 2D. Ritika M of 2D.
Yes, Ritika?
I think Vignesh connected. Vignesh? Vignesh, are you there? Come on, come on. Only 10 minutes left. Come on, fast. Yes. Who is
Ritika
Ritika?
or Vignesh?
Okay.
Okay. Ritika? Okay. Okay. Ritika, good morning, Ritika. Here comes your question, Ritika. Now, what you have to do, you just going to tell me the answer for 29 plus 1. What is the answer for 29 plus 1? When you add 1 to 29, what is the answer you will get?
30.
30. Exactly. Ritika, the second property is what? When you add the number 1, yes, when you add the number 1, what number you will get? To any number, what number you will get? You will get the
Number.
next number. Very good. See here, 29. What is the 29 next number of 29? 30. Successor. Clear, child? Very good. Ritika, tell me for 46 plus 1 also, Kanna. 46 plus 1. 47. Isn't it easy, Kanna? This is what the second property tells us. So, the next number of 46 is 47. So, when you add number 1 to any number, you will get the next number or successor of it. Okay? Very good. Now, Kanna, tell me for 1 plus 25 also. 1 plus 25?
6.
Yes. Come again. 1 plus 25?
26.
Exactly. 26 is the right answer. Very good, Kana. Then tell me for 99. 1 minute.
100.
Yes. See here. Yes. The question is little tricky. Now listen. The question is little tricky. See, we got 100 already. We got 100 already. We have one addend here, 99. Answer also we got. The first addend we got. What is the second addend? What will be the second addend?
Ma'am.
What will be the second addend? Yes, 1 is the right answer. 99 plus 1 will give you 100. So the next number of 99 is 100, or successor of 99 is 100. Very good, Ritika. Now finish off for 70. See some also. I have 73. Yeah, exactly. 1 plus 73 will give you what?
74.
Very good. Superb. All your answers are good. Very good. All your answers are correct. So here comes 4 stars for you. Very good, Ritika. Thank you for your answers. Good, ma. Go in mute. So, children, did you understand? The first property we learnt is order property. The second property, when you add the number 1 to any number, you will get the next number of it, or otherwise we will call it as successor of the number. Okay? So, 2 properties we learnt. Now move to the third property. Yes, over to Shahin ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Vani ma'am. Yes, my dear children. Property 3. Yes. So what the property 3 says?
Hello, ma'am.
Very.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Krishu. Yes.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
the Krishu?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
You want to say something?
topic 2 வந்து அவங்க புரியல சொன்னா வந்து உங்களே ரிப்பீட் பண்ண முடியுமா?
Okay, property 2. Okay, we will, yes, we are going to recall. Okay,
Yes.
sure. After property 3, we will recall all the 3 properties, sure. Okay, any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we will do it, sure. Okay, yes, my dear children. Yes, here comes the property 3. Yes, what is that? Adding 0. Yes, you know the common number. What is that? Yes, 0. Yes, very terrible number. Number 0. Yes, and 0 is an even number. You know that also. Now, what the property 3 says about 0? Yes, that when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Okay, so whatever the number is there, when you are going to add, one addend will be one number and another will be 0 or anything. Okay, there are two addends, okay, usually. So if one is 0 and one is another number, so what will be the sum? Sum will be the same number. Okay, so let's, for more clarity, let's do one example. Here comes the example. Yes, see, get set ready. Here Tina is having 15 sweets. How many sweets, my dear children? 15. Madhav is having no seed. No sweets means 0. So total how many sweets together we are having? 15 plus 0 is equal to how much, my dear? 15. Yes, so the number itself, you got it. Yes, so what is the answer? 15 sweet. So you got the number itself. Got it? 15 plus 0, 15. The number itself, you got it. Clear? Now let's move on to one more example for more clarity. Here comes the 3-digit number. Yes, and now we are going to add with the 0. So what will be the number? 178 plus 0 is equal to how much? The number itself. What is that number? 178. 178. So the number itself is the answer. Yes. Okay, now we are going to do the sum practice sum to get more clarity about the about the property. Yes, here comes. Here you can see 14 is there. Yes, Sadhana. Sadhana. Yes, 2F Sadhana. Come on.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sadhana. Now tell me. First addend is 14 plus what number we have to add to get the number itself?
0, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely right. When we are going to add 0, we will get the same number. Very good. So you are more clear? Very good, child. Well done. Yes, and many of them, they are giving answer in the chat box. Good. Star for everyone. Thank you, Sadhana. Star for you also.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes. And let's practice one more sum. Here comes. Okay. Yes. Now, Vignesh, now you are connected. Vignesh of 2F. Come on fast. No. Okay. Not connected. Okay. Yes. Shanvika Shri of 2D. Come on fast. Yes, my dear. Yes, here is the question for you. What will be the first addend? What number we have to add? We are going to add 0 and the answer is, the sum is 123. What is the first addend? Yes. Shanvika Shri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer. See in the box. See, the first addend is blank. You have to find the first addend. Okay, you are going to add 0 with the first addend and you will get the answer 123. So what is the first addend? The number itself. What is that number?
123.
Very good. 123 in the first addend. Very good. Absolutely right. Yes, my dear children. Thank you, and star for you. And one more big star for everyone. Yes, my dear children. Yes. So now, yes, many of them, yes, many of the parents, they are asking doubt about the adding one. Yes, my dear, here is the practice sums. Okay, so many of the students are getting confused while adding zero and while adding one. Okay, these two are properties. Yes, my dear children, keep it in mind. These two properties are frequently coming. Okay, in one digit, two digit, and three digit addition also. Okay, so it's very simple. When we are going to add with zero, the number itself will be there. Okay, so here comes the answer. Yes, so here is the practice question, and I'm going to call one student. Yes, come on fast. E section, Ojasvi. Ojasvi, come on fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, first question for you. 0 plus 5 is equal to how much?
5.
5. Absolutely right. Correct. Superb. Star for you. Thank you. Yes. So when we are adding 0 with any number, the number itself will be there. Okay. Yes. Now, next one. Poesy of 2E. Poesy of 2E. Connected?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. What is your name, my dear? I think I spelled
Puvali.
wrongly.
Puvali, ma'am.
Puvali. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, here is the question for you. 7 plus 0. Yes.
Happy, ma'am.
7, the number itself. Very good. Star for you. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Yes. One child has asked the doubt, I think. Ma'am, you remember the name? Who asked the doubt?
Krish Shiv, I think.
Krish.
So.
Yes, come on, Krish. Yes, come on, Krish. Come on, Krisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here is the question. You have the doubt for adding 1. Yes. So when 0 is added, the number itself. And 1, when we are adding 1, what will be that?
9.
You are going to get next number. Okay. Keep it in mind. That is, next number means successor. Yes. What is the name of next number? Next number means
9.
successor. Yes. Okay, and here is the question for you. 8 plus 1 is equal to how much?
9.
Very good, absolutely right. 9 is the answer. Star for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Shine, ma'am,
Now,
Shine, ma'am.
yes.
Shine, ma'am, 1 minute. Okay. Krishna, now you got it, the second property. The second property tells, Kanna, the second property tells you the same. When you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number, or otherwise the successor of that number. Now see, 8 plus 1 you told me 9, correct?
Correct, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So how you got this? சொல்லுங்க மேம். எஸ் மேம்.
1 minute ma'am. அவனுக்கு 3 digit வந்தப்ப கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறான். அதான் தான் உங்கள்ட்ட வந்து சொல்ல சொன்னேன் உங்கள்ட்ட.
ஓகே மேம், ஓகே மேம்.
சிங்கிள் டிஜிட் ஓகே. இந்த 3 digit வந்தப்ப அவன் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறான். 3 digit plus
fine.
அப்படி வரும்போது இது பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Yes, my dear children, you have to practice the numbers. Yeah, so the tables will be given, so you have to practice. Okay, we will give you the worksheets. Okay, so practice that one. Okay, my dear children. Yes.
6 plus 1 7.
Yes, my dear children. For plus 1, you have to practice the numbers. Okay, in the order 101, 102, 103, 104. Like that, you have to write. Okay, like 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400. Then there won't be any mistake. Okay, yes, for 3 digit. Okay, so keep on practicing, my dear children. That box definitely. Okay, and the 3 digit number will not be getting any confusion. Okay. Yes, here comes the next question. 6 plus 1. Yes. Use the chat box, my dear children. 7. Absolutely right. Yes, 7 is the answer. And 1 plus 3. What is the next number? 1 plus 3, 4. Very good. Super, my dear children. And we are going to give you homework in the worksheet. So please complete that one. Yes. And I hope so. Everyone has referred the website for the max classwork and has completed the lesson 1. So all of you refer the website. Okay. For the max classwork lesson number 1. Now it's time for you, my dear children. Yes, on your video, show your notebooks. Yes, what you have practiced. Let's see how neatly you have practiced. Yes, come on, start. It's a very simple sums.
Ma'am, Nandika ma'am.
Yes, Nandika. And yes, my dear children, daily practice the numbers. Yes.
Ma'am, busy ma'am.
Yes, Anashri. Nice. Then
I'm busy ma'am.
Breezy. Yes, Breezy. Breezy, on your video. I can't see properly.
Yes,
On the video.
Harshita from K. Harshita
now I
from K.
can-
Very good, Kana.
Yes,
Sanashri from
very
2D.
good.
Very good. Sanashri, show me.
Hmm.
Riyashri. Very good, Kana.
Nandika, Brinda. Brinda, where is the notebook? Brinda?
Ma'am, busy ma'am.
Yes, Sanashri. Very good. Yes, Satvika.
Okay. Anjana.
Ojasvi. Jay. V. Jay. Jay Krish.
Yes.
Shiv. Yes, Krishiv. 2E.
Ma'am, busy ma'am.
Sailakshmi, very neat. Very good. Beautiful and
I like Krishna. Ma'am, Dharini.
Dharani.
Yes, Dharani.
Dharani, very nice. Then Jay. E. Jay.
Very good, very good. Super.
Very
Correction.
Mahavidya from 2E. Very good, Ma. Good.
Padmesh.
Ma'am, their handwriting was so good, no, ma'am? Their handwriting
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Very clear presentation. Very neat presentation. Good. Well done, children. Keep it up. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Classwork is also hard. Yes. Hajeshwarish. Neat presentation. Very good.
Krishiv is showing that shapes.
Bala. Satvika.
Satvika from 2F. Very good, Ma. Satvika.
Samrish. Very good, Samrish.
Jay Krish from 2E. Very good, Kana.
Lakshmi.
Samrish.
Yes. Ashwin to be
Anashri.
good.
Ma'am, Jai Krishna.
Kanitra 2F.
Dashwin.
Ma'am.
Nandika.
Kamakshi.
Kanitra.
Kamakshi,
Good.
very good.
I'm Jai Krishna. I'm Jai Krishna.
Rayan.
Ma'am.
Rayan. Sai Krishnan. Regna. Yes, ma'am. It's time up. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Fine. Yes, my dear children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Everyone has completed, I think, successfully their classwork and neat presentation. Very good. Yes. Any other doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? Krishav. Krishav. Yes. Tell me.
Send the classwork notes in MEM class.
Homework only. Only homework. Website. Website for classwork. Classwork proper website.
Okay, thank you, Shahin ma'am.
Hello?
Thank you.